By default, if you're using an Outlook email, then you see two email sections, focused and others right here. In the focus section, Microsoft Outlook determines what emails are important and will show it over here so that you can simply have a main access to it. But if you were to go to others, then you will see the rest of the emails as well, which may be newsletters and everything else. But let's say what you decide to do is decide to send some other email to others email, some focus emails to other email as well. In that case, you can see that there's this email right here, and let's say I want to send this particular email to others. In that case, you can simply right click and go to move and then move this to others inbox. Once you do that, what happens is that it moves into other section right here. So you can see that it has moved on to other section. And apart from that, you may want to move the other sections email into focused as well. So what you can simply do is you can go around and right click, and then you can move this out onto focused inbox. And once you do that, you can go around and get back onto focus section right here, and you would see that over here just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. And if I were to go around and expand this over here, you can see that right now this is in the inbox section right here. In the Gmail section, you can see that you purely have inbox. So it depends on email on or for this particular service. In the Outlook, you have this by default. So that is how the focused email works, and that is how you can move to and remove from focused section inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.